In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email multiple recipients individually using Gmail, so each person gets the message without seeing anyone else's email address. This is a simple and professional way to protect privacy, whether you're sending an announcement, an invitation, a business update, or a message to a group of contacts. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account you want to use for sending the email. Once Gmail loads, look for the Compose button on the left side of the screen and click it to start a new email. Now you'll see the new message window appear. At the top, you'll notice the To field. On the right side of that field, click BCC. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and this is the key step that allows you to send one email to multiple people individually. When you use BCC, each recipient receives the email, but they cannot see the other recipients in the list. After clicking BCC, enter all of the recipient email addresses into the BCC field. You can type or paste them in one by one, depending on how many people you're sending to. This is especially useful if you're mailing a group and want to keep the list private. If needed, you can still put your own email address in the To field or leave it as is, depending on how you want the message sent. Next, add your subject line. Make sure the subject clearly explains what the email is about, so recipients know what to expect before opening it. After that, type your message in the main body of the email. Keep it clear, professional, and easy to read. Since everyone will receive the same message individually, it's a good idea to keep the content general and avoid mentioning names if you want the email to feel personal to each person. Before sending, double-check the email addresses in the BCC field. Review your subject and read through your message one more time to make sure everything looks correct. This is an important step because once the email is sent, it cannot be undone in most cases. When everything is ready, click Send. Gmail will deliver the message to every recipient, but because you used BCC, they won't be able to see the other people on the list. That means your email stays private, clean, and professional. And that's it. You now know how to email multiple recipients individually in Gmail. It's fast, easy, and a great way to protect privacy when sending messages to more than one person. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.